Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll explore the latest features in Telegram's PC app to help you efficiently search within channels. Whether you're catching up on updates or diving into niche topics, these steps will make navigation seamless. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't already, log into your account to access your saved chats and channels. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll spot a search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. This is where the magic begins. With the new update, Telegram now lets you filter your search specifically for channels. After clicking the search bar, look for the drop-down menu just below it. Among the options like chats, media, or files, select channels. This tells Telegram to prioritize channel-related results, saving you time by excluding unrelated content. Now, type your search term in the bar. Are you looking for tech tutorials, travel guides, or maybe a book club? Enter keywords like AI trends, budget travel tips, or sci-fi recommendations. As you type, Telegram will populate results in real time, displaying channels that match your query. Scroll through the suggestions and click on the channel that aligns with your interests. You'll be taken to the channel's main page, where you can preview recent posts, member counts, and descriptions. If it's a public channel, you'll see a join button to subscribe and start receiving updates. What's great about this update is how it streamlines discovery. Instead of sifting through mixed results, the channel's filter ensures you're only seeing communities tailored to your search. It's perfect for researchers, hobbyists, or anyone curating their feed. And there you have it, a quick, focused way to find and explore channels on Telegram's desktop app. Test it out with your favorite topics and let the app do the heavy lifting. Thanks for joining today's guide, and happy channel surfing.